Hi, my name is Chef Ans, and I'll tell you how we were able to select the best three that has come forth to stand a chance to represent us at the forthcoming YCO 2021. All of this was done during the lockdown when our school shut down, and the students they had to compete from their homes, and they did their cooking and sent in the videos, and then we were able to get the best amongst them that can represent us at the forthcoming YCO. So it wasn't easy, but it was worth the time because of the new experience that we've also gained in by virtual learning. So that's it.